morning, guys. So I decided that I was gonna film me doing my makeup for today, and I was gonna do it like vlog style, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know, but I guess I'm just gonna talk and do my makeup. I got my nails done today for Disney. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, very cute, of course. But yeah, I got those done today. That took about an hour maybe. We leave in 2 days, and I was gonna get them done tomorrow, but I was like, you know what, just get them out of the way and do it today. I'm using the Thank Me Later face primer by Elizabeth Mote. I got it for free from a, I don't know if it was like a prescription box or something, subscription box or influencer. I can't remember. I think it was Ipsy, maybe. I don't usually keep a lot of the stuff that Ipsy gives me just because I don't usually like it. But whatever. So I'm gonna be using the Face Tape Tarte foundation in the shade 14H, which is Fair Honey, and 12N, which is Fair Neutral. And I'm gonna mix the two because right now my skin is kind of like in between foundations, and like the lightest one that I have is like too white for me, so we're just not gonna use that. So I just put it on the back of my hand, and then I take my very, very old foundation and use the brush because I love this brush. And I mix it together, and then I'm gonna apply it to my face. So let's see. I have to pack today. I'm gonna take out my nose ring. I'm gonna pack today. I have a load of laundry going. So I have to wait till that's done before I can even start packing, which kind of sucks because I should have did that earlier, but I just didn't want to do laundry, so oops. But I have all of my shirts on the floor over there. I have 3 pairs of jeans that I'm gonna take. I have those on the floor as well. I have the ears that go with my outfit over there as well. So I have basically everything I need, except I'm also gonna bring a couple pairs of shorts because we don't know what the weather is gonna be like there. It's very iffy right now, if it's gonna be hot or cold. So I'm just gonna bring a couple pairs of like each, and then like maybe a little cardigan or something, just so I'm prepared for the weather, because you never know how it's gonna be. Let's see. What else? Yeah. And then I have to help Cole pack tonight because he's been working 12-hour shifts so he can come. And it's been really, really crazy. So I have to pack for him tonight. And then I have all his shirts here. I need to bring them back to his house. And then, let's see. We're gonna bring I think he just wants to wear shorts, even if it's cold. He's still gonna wear shorts, I believe. I don't know why, but that's just what he wants. He hardly wears jeans. At least I don't remember him wearing jeans that often, so. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll come back after I finish this, and then I'm gonna do my concealer. And I use the Shape Tape Concealer in 8B Porcelain Beige real quick, and then I'll come back after that's all done. So I kind of went ahead and did some other stuff on my face that I'm not gonna record just because you guys see it in like my everyday makeup routine or something like that. So I used the matte finishing powder by NYX, and then I did the Balm Dessert bronzer, and then I used the James Charles palette for highlighting everything. I don't know if you can really tell, but I highlighted my nose, my cupid's bow, and then my cheekbones. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I think I have a picture of what I wanted to try out today. This is what I want to try to recreate today. I don't know how that will go, but I have the palette. It's somewhere. I have to find the palette, and then I think I'm gonna try to do it, recreate it, see how it goes, and hope for the best. So I found my palette right here. I have it. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put this in fast forward because this might take me a while. But it's more like it's a fall look. I'm just trying it out because I want to like experiment with my makeup. So I figured this would be like a really good start. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing our eyes and hope for the best. So I finished my makeup. This is the finished look. It's not terrible, but it's not good. Like, I just don't understand how like the pictures make it look so like pigmented and everything, and then like when it comes on my face it looks like, I mean it looks really good, but like at the same time like I can't blend everything as well and like everything like that. So I'm still like learning the process of like eyeshadows and stuff. Blending, I need to find the right brushes for my eyeshadow, but I don't think I'm too bad. Like I think I'm pretty good for teaching myself and like YouTubing and Pinteresting stuff. So that's a plus, because in beauty school we didn't really learn makeup, and the makeup that we did learn was awful. So that was my recreating that Pinterest look. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this video was kind of like crazy or whatever, but it's okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.